Chevrolet Impala SS 396 EKIC American Muscle Car Hai Jo Surf EK Gari Nahi Bake EK Araki Pechan Hai. Jab 1960s K Akir Mine America Key Roads Par Power. Style Our Attitude Ka Bol Balade. Tab Impala SS 396 Nay Apni Alag High Presence Bon Ali. Is car co decked high ek heavy, wide our confident stance mesus hodi high jo badati high k ye gari speed our strength k liye bani high. Iska design surf kubserti k liye nahi bake road par dominance k liye tear kia gayada. Lambi body, smooth curves our chrome details is bot ka sa boot hain k Chevrolet nay is model par koi compromise nahi kia. Impala SS Ka Nam Sun Hai Sab Se Pela Jo Cheese Damag Mine Ati Hai Wo Iska Powerful 396 cubic inch big block V8 engine high. Ye engine Opni Whacked Ka Ek Beast de Jo Surf Numbers K Liye Nahi Bake Real World Performance K Liye Mashorda. Jab Accelerator Press Kia Jata de Engine Kia Was Ek Deep Our Aggressive Roar Mine Badal Jati T Johar Car Lover K Dil Ko Hila Car Rock Dedi T. Is engine ka torque eatna strong de k heavy body k bawajud Impala SS Asani Se Tez Ruftar Pakar Leti T. Highway par ye car smooth our stable feel dedi T jabki straight line acceleration mine ye opni competitors ko pish core dedi T. Is gari ka exterior design American muscle culture ka perfect example high. Front say de ka j to wide chrome grille our dual round headlights ek bold our powerful look deed hain. Hood ka design simple high lekin uski size our shape say engine key power ka andaza hojata high. Side profile mine car key length our width clearly nazar ati high jo ize ek luxurious lekin aggressive personality dedi high. Chrome trims our classic wheels as car co our be classy bana di hain. Rear side par triple tail lights Impala key signature pechin hain jo door say high bata dedi hain k ye ek Chevrolet Impala high. SS badging is bot top proud signal high k ye normal Impala nahi bake ek high performance version high. Interior key bot key j to Impala SS 396 opni time k hisab say coffee luxurious t. Wide seats, soft padding our premium materials driver our passengers dono co comfort di thay. Dashboard par analog gauges soft our readable thay. Jo speed, RPM our engine information clearly show car thay. Steering wheel ka design simple lekin solid feel dedade. Jis driver ko road par full control ka esas hodade. Interior ka overall vibe sporty b de our comfortable b. Jo is bot ko prove car to high k ye car surf racing k liye nahi bake long drives k liye be perfect t. Chevrolet Impala SS 396 ko is door k youth na ek dream car k tour par dekha. Jab muscle cars ka golden era chal rahada. Har Jawan driver chata de kuske garage mine ekic gari ho jo power our style dono ka symbol ho. Impala SS unlogon k liye perfect choice t jo surf speed nahi bake presence be chat. Is gari ko drive karna ek statement de, ek message k driver ko performance our class dono ki samaj high. Street par jab ye car guzarti t to log automatically mud car deck thay. Driving experience k hawale say Impala SS 396 ka koi mukabla nahi de. Heavy hone k bawajud suspension system is tara tune kia gaya de k ride smooth rahi. High speed par b car stable feel hodi t our steering say proper feedback milta de. Braking system strong de jo is powerful engine ko safely control karne mine madad karta de. Is car co drive cart whack driver ko ek alag high confidence milta de. J's K road par sab kuch uske control mine ho. Is car ki ek our cause bot ye high k ye surf performance car nahi bake ek cultural icon van gay. Movies, music our street culture mine Impala ka nam bar sun ko milta high. Lowrider culture mine v Impala na ek special jaga bani jahan ize customized kart ek art piece bana. Dia jata high. Lekin SS 396 version unlogon k liye high jo original muscle car feel ko preserve karna chat hain. Iska original form high itna powerful our attractive high k ziata modification keys or at mesus nahi hodi. Engine bay khol car dekha j to 396 big block V8 ek mechanical masterpiece lag to high. Chrome components, clean layout. Our solid build quality is bought co reflect Carti High K Chevrolet Nay is engine co surf power K Lié Nahi Bake durability K Lié be design Kiata. Is engine key maintenance agar thik tara se ki jata ye solin tak reliable performance data high. Aj bi bohat se collectors our enthusiasts is engine co restore kark original condition mine rocked hain, jo iski timeless quality ka sa boot high. Impala SS 396 ka sound ek alag high pechen rockta high. Jab engine start hoda hay to ek deep rumble sunai deta high jo deer aggressive growl mine badal jata high. Exhaust note itni powerful hodi high k ye surf sunai nahi dedi bake feel hodi high. Ye awaz muscle car lovers k liye music ki tara hodi high. Modern cars chahe kidney high advanced kian naho jn. Lekin Impala SS Jaisi Ra our natural engine sound co-replicate Karna Mushkil High. Aj K Door Mine Chevrolet Impala SS 396 EK highly respected classic car high. Car shows our auctions mine is model key value copy high hodi high, Costor par agar car original condition mine ho. Collectors Ize surf EK investment K Tor par nahi bake EK passion K Tor par dekt hain. Is Gari co-own Karna ek responsibility be hodi high kian k ye history ka ek hisa high. Par restored Impala SS ek kahani sunati high jo 1960s k golden muscle car era codes into rocky high. Is car ka charm surf Purani generation talk limited nahi bake aj k young car enthusiasts be as say attract hod hain. Social media par Impala SS 396 key photos our videos million views hassle cardi hain. Log is Carco modern supercars K soft compare cart hain our Axar ye bot sam ati high K performance K soft character be bohat matter carta high. Impala SSK PAAS wo character high jo modern cars mine cam high milta high. Chevrolet Impala SS 396 EK Gari high jo emotions K soft connect carti high. Ize deck car surf speed ya horsepower ka kale nahi ata bake ek for lifestyle nazar ata high. Open road, loud engine, our classic American vibe is car k soft naturally associate ho jati high. Ye gari unlogon k liye high jo surf destination tak pohanchna nahi bake journey ko enjoy karna chat hain. Is model key legacy aj be Chevrolet k fans k Dylan mine zinda high. Impala ka nam kud ek strong brand van chuka high lekin SS 396 US brand ka sav say powerful chapter high. Jab the classic muscle cars ki bot hodi high. Impala SS ka nam respect k softly ajata high. Ye gari remind karwati high k jab cars surf machines nahi bake emotions wa karti t. Road par jab Chevrolet Impala SS 396 Shalvi high delagta high J's wak thora pish chala gaya ho. Par gear shift, par acceleration our hard turn ek nostalgic feel deta high. Ye car surf ek drive nahi bake ek experience offer karti high. Isi waja say aj b log is car k pish pagal hain our future mine be iska craze cam hodanazar nahi ata. Impala SS 396 EK living legend high jo hamisha muscle car history mine ek special jaga rocky gi.